It's not a day in May in South Carolina if we're not dealing with severe weather, right? It's like it's every single day. That's just the way it is this time of the year. And we're going to get one last hurrah before we get a nice and dry weekend coming our way. And then more heat and humidity is going to build our way next week. Although right now, though, we have the chance of severe weather today and also tomorrow. So take a look. Right now it's Thursday at 10:43. Most of us are dealing with cloud cover right now, waking up to mostly cloudy skies, the exception being in the Charleston metro. There's even some showers showing up in the upstate. That's going to keep that area of the state relatively cool and damp today, so the best chance of severe weather is going to be outside of the upstate. This afternoon, temperatures are going to reach the mid to upper 80s. Winds will be blowing out of the west at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. You don't see any rain icons on here yet because the best chance of rain this afternoon is going to be after 3 o'clock, say late afternoon, early evening hours, and we'll see that in our future radar maps coming up here. Today, the Storm Prediction Center has highlighted the southern Midlands, southern PD, and all of the low country in a level 2 out of 5, or a slight risk of severe weather, but do notice that most of us are actually in the level 1 out of 5, a marginal risk. So the best chance of severe weather today is going to be in the low country, and this is going to push through around 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the afternoon. That's also going to be the same time frame tomorrow when severe weather moves through, except tomorrow it'll be from the Savannah River all the way to the North Carolina state line, and this is a pretty big area of severe weather, and the Storm Prediction Center has been watching this for at least 4 or 5 days now, so they're pretty confident that there's going to be severe weather in South Carolina come our way on Friday. So here it is, 4 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow. Here's that front coming through. Embedded within it are supercells that will have damaging wind gusts, and of course we can't rule out a tornado or large hail, but do know that the best chance of severe weather tomorrow is going to come from damaging wind gusts. That's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's moving through Aiken, Columbia, and Cheraw, and then we would expect this to be in the coastal communities, say Hilton Head, Charleston, Myrtle Beach, closer to 6, 7 o'clock in the evening. Not convenient timing. That's when a lot of people are out and about traveling. And of course, our energy values are going to be up there as well. Anytime you see anything above 1,000 joules per kilogram, that's when you start to get concerned. And we are seeing values close to 13 to 1,400 out ahead of this front by the time it's moving through tomorrow evening. If there's any silver lining in this, it's that the UV index is going to go up next week, up to a 10 for 3 days in a row, because we will see sunny skies and we'll see warm conditions, and it's going to be dry. Today and tomorrow will be our last rain chance for a good while, and then we get a good UV index coming our way next week. Take a look on the 7-day forecast. It's 83 tomorrow afternoon, or on Saturday afternoon, 86 on Sunday. A very nice weekend, sunshine, dry conditions, and the sunshine will continue into Tuesday of next week as well, up to 90 degrees, and then 90s will continue into Wednesday and Thursday under mostly sunny skies. So we have our last rain chance on Friday, and then we get a week of sunshine and drier conditions because we've earned it. And this is definitely going to help our drought situation out there in the Carolinas. Many of us are in a moderate to severe drought. So just something to keep an eye on, that severe weather will be possible today and also tomorrow.